ain't never seen nothing like this.
If you want your present to be better, your future has to be bigger. And a lot of you aren't thinking big enough in this room.
When you create a leader who can also create another leader, who can also create another leader, that is what multiplies, that is what duplicates. When you see these big numbers up here, this doesn't happen by accident.
I call this the decision journey, because your decisions don't just impact you. They impact your family, so does your indecision. They impact your team, and they can impact the future of your generations and what you're going to hand down.
I feel like you gotta be trained in real estate like your job is to disarm bombs. You can't be partly trained. You can't give people leads who aren't trained. So we feel like it's our responsibility to train them and then provide them with opportunities, right? Does that make sense? All right.